Many people around the world call the Oriental rug Persian carpet, Indian carpet. So the second name to the beautiful Oriental rug is carpet.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Carpet is well known in the Middle East as the most beautiful art on the floor. When we have a problem to clean the carpet from dog or the cat's urine odor, I would like to show you a cleaning process that's cleaned the Oriental rug, a cleaning process that makes sense. Cleaning process through the carpet. And this is how PetPeePee flush out all the urine crystal through the rug. This urine crystal cause a damage and it drive every lady crazy when the smell is overwhelming. Take a look how we at PetPeePee Oriental carpet different from the rest. To remove the urine crystal from deep inside your Persian carpet, you must clean it through the rug. This is how can you eliminate all the urine upon delivery. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense, a cleaning process that's guarantee urine odor removal. Would you like your Persian carpet will be clean like this? Call today.